Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I just want to talk you through the customizable baking modes on our Panasonic bread makers. So the model we've got here is the SD-B2510. The first thing to be aware of is that not every bread maker that we make actually offers customizable baking modes as a feature, so if you're not sure, have a look in your operating instructions to find out more. Now in this model, the things we can customize are the size of the bake, the color of the crust, so that's light, medium or dark, and the timing options as well. So how do we use them? Well, first of all, we're going to select our baking mode. So in this instance, I'm going to just select the basic bread option. Do be aware though that not every baking mode is fully customizable. So for example, the basic rapid mode, we won't be able to customize the timer feature because it's a rapid bake. So do be aware of that. So once we've selected our basic baking mode here, you can see it's flashing on the screen. If we press this button, we can customize the size of the bake. So we've got medium, large, or extra large there. Once we're happy with that, we can press the crust button to customize the color of the crust. So we've got light, medium, or dark. You can see that adjusts the time of the bake ever so slightly as well. Once we're happy with that, we can then look at our timing options. Now with the timer, this actually tells you the time until the bake is complete. So if I were to press this button and go up to the maximum time setting of 13 hours, that means this bake is going to be finished in 13 hours. It's a 4-hour bake by default on the basic setting. So in this instance, the bread maker will start creating the bread in around 9 hours time. So do be aware of that when you're adjusting the time. Once you're happy with everything, press that button and then it will start. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions or need more information about customizable baking modes, check out our helpful baking tips page on our website or the Experience Fresh website for more help. Thanks very much.